So over here you can see that I have an image inside of Google Drawings. And as I select the image on the top, you can see that you have different options for the images. For example, you can go around and crop out the image. So if I were to click on this, you can see that I can go around and crop out the image, press enter on my keyboard to go around and set the crop. You can click on this again and get back the contents that you cropped out as well, and you can press enter just like this. So what happens when you crop out is it just hides out the information in the picture and does not actually delete it. So over here on the top, you can also go around and select out different shapes for the crop type. Let's say, for example, you want the smiley face, then you can go around and select that out, select out different shapes according to how you like it as well. You can go around, reset out the image as well to reset out the image onto its default cropping formation and format as well. You can also replace out image, and you can use the image settings right here. So you can upload from computer or so forth and replace out the image from over here as well. So if I were to go around, select this, you can see that in the exact same position the image has been replaced. Let me just click undo right here and go to formatting options right here on the right. So on the right hand side, you can see that you can work around with size and rotation right here, with position and so forth. But with the image, you get an option for recolor. So what you can do is you can choose around any effect of your choice right here, and you can see that it is actually colored out just like this. So you can go around and choose the color that you want to apply this in. You can also go around into adjustment, and you can work around with transparency of the image right here. You can work around with contrast of the image, and you can click on reset to reset out the adjustment of the image as well. So let me just go around, increase out the contrast, and you can see that I have an effect. Similarly, you also have drop reflection and drop shadow right here, just like you can add into shapes as well. And that is how you can work around with images inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.